5 o'clock. That's 15 minutes. Please find your way out. The park will be closed in 15 minutes.
New York, I'm meteorologist Scott Larimore. We are preparing for the worst, unfortunately, here in New York City from Hurricane Sandy, a huge, immensely large hurricane in the western Atlantic, and it's about to make an unprecedented turn to the west on Monday. And the center of Sandy will likely hit the central coast of Jersey late Monday night, which means we're on the northern side, which is the worst side of a landfalling hurricane here. That means certainly an onshore flow across the Sound and also across New York Harbor throughout the day Monday, throughout the day Tuesday. We're going to see tropical storm force winds with some gusts to hurricane force. And unfortunately, that's going to do some terrible things.